Gold and silver starting the week on a bullish note. We have seen gold hitting the critical zone here at 28.7678. Let's see if it breaks past by, because beyond this we can again expect it to create new highs. Possibility is there, while silver is also now trying to trade above 32, the critical resistance. So what to expect today, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, on the hourly charts for gold, you can see it has very clearly formed a support here at 50 period moving average 28.6058. Now, if you recall last week, every day I have mentioned three key support levels: 28.5860, 28.5455, 48.50, and 28.4042. So these are going to remain key support levels today as well. I have seen these levels providing it a very critical support on the smaller time frames as well, not only on the bigger time frames but on the smaller time frames. And the support which is getting strengthened on the smaller time frames definitely means a lot to the price movement. And today again we have to watch out how it behaves at these levels. Now you can see this, it has formed a very strong base here and also just connected. I can still see it is trading after this retracement. I can still see gold trading in this bullish channel here. So right now I can wait for it to trade below 28.58 levels. Then only I will confirm that possibility of further drop exists. Then you can in fact wait for it to trade below 28.50, and in fact lower levels are possible. But right now it is looking upwards. Right now it is trading. Now on the smaller time frames also you can see the near term candles are getting a support from the 20 period moving average, and thus you have to wait for it to first break this and then break these levels here at 28.58. Stochastic rising, the MACD also has now crossed over, trading with little divergence. Good bullish sign it is. RSI running flat. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. And another thing to note here, that look at the preceding two candles. Yeah, I can see a diminishing bullishness here. That is very, very important, because see, it is trading with diminishing bullishness. This suggests that the prices are not willing to trade beyond the critical resistance at 28.78. But once it breaks beyond 28.7678, you can again expect a round of rise which can take it towards 28.70, 28.82, 28.8890. And if 88.90 is taken, I think we are looking forward to 29.04 as well. Remember what is happening here. Notice after the rise, it is just consolidating and strengthening its position before it takes a direction. Yes, it can reverse as well. Remember this fact. Stochastic rising, MACD has retraced here. A crossover here is what you should wait for. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. A good support is taken from the 20 period moving average, the critical support zone at 28.6058. Second greener candle in making, and it appears that it may deliver a smaller body size itself and close in green. So right now I do not see it delivering any bearishness. Also notice on the, we have to wait for it to trade about 28.8082. Stochastic rising, MACD right now bearish trying to converge, RSI looking upwards. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation on the 4 hour charts as well. See this taking support from 20 period, trying to rise, trying to bounce back. Thus 28.58, 60, 28.54, 55 and 28.50, very, very strong supports will be seen at these levels, and it is very, very important now for gold to break below this. Then only you can confirm that it is a sell, else gold prices are not right now on selling position. Stochastic rising, the MACD right now has crossed over at the top. It is right now trading bearish. Modest bearishness is seen. RSI running flat. Coming to daily, now on the daily charts you can also notice, see, it has created a step in the week beginning today, and see higher lows and higher highs. Now once it breaks out beyond this zone at 78, you can expect a round of rise which can take it towards first at 82 and then towards 88.90. Once it breaks past 88.90, I think we are ready for another round of rise like this, where the next couple of candles might stay strongly bullish. But my worry point here is the gold price is the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2800. And that is why repeatedly I am saying we have to wait for it to break on the downside, and once it breaks past the critical support levels, it is going to deliver a massive move. And thus whenever you see the levels which you have discussed a few moments back, whenever you see gold prices breaking these levels, just don't miss the short entry. Now remember what we had seen towards the last trading session last week. We have seen the fragility in the gold prices on the upside, and we have seen prices taking a dip towards the end. So this is something we should keep a note of. Stochastic overbought here. MACD has seen a good rise here. Wait for it to converge crossover for sell, and the RSI is also overbought. So yes, certainly confirm that prices are getting fragile, but it is not showing as of now any signs of bearishness. Now, before I provide you the trading levels today, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, buying entry I will recommend is the 28.76.78. But then you have to be little cautious towards 82-84 levels and then 88.90. Once 28.88.90 is taken, we are ready for another round of rise, which might take it towards 2900 to 2904 zone, and in fact 2918, 2922 levels. These are the levels which are going to play a good role on the upside for a gold price movement. And I do not see it breaking beyond this, but yes, beyond this, another round of rally should take it towards 2940, and in fact the next milestone, which is far far above, towards 2980 3000 levels. Let's see which direction it breaks, but today possibly we have to wait for it to break on the key resistances which are going to be there on the upside and on the downside. On the downside, now where is the selling end? Only selling point is, see, though it is a bit risky, but you can sell here at 28.64. Expect 28.58.60 the first, 54.55 the second, and 48.50 the third. Once these three levels are taken, I can wait for 28.40.42, and once 28.40.42 is taken, just stay short for 28.30.32, 28.24, and then below that 28.10, 2800. Below 2800 anyways, it's gonna deliver a massive correction. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now see, silver on the hourly charts, if you look at after this drop, it appears that it may deliver a V-shaped recovery. But what's happening here? It has crossed over. The moving averages have crossed over. The prices are trading bearish here. Look at the resistance. It is getting from the 20 period moving average. Thus, only buying entry I will recommend is at 32.20 levels. Now 32.10, 32.20, these were the resistance support earlier. These are going to be the resistance now. So if you see prices trading above this, you can expect a V-shaped recovery, which is going to take the prices towards 32, 50, 60 again. But what's happening right now? See, lower highs are seen, lower lows are also seen, and possibly silver might stay in this channel where 3180 should 3180, which is already a good support. We have to wait for it to just take a dip below 3160 in order to confirm a break on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD right now trading bearish. The RSI is almost flat at bottom. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, though it is showing a reversal sign. See, this could be the reversal sign, and thus where the current candle closes is going to be of primary, and also a drop below 3170 is what you should wait and watch for. So if it trades below 3170, remember it is taking a direction. Look at the formation here, lower highs, lower lows. After the dip, it might trade in this channel and then take a direction here. So yes, you have to wait for it to trade below 3170, which is going to take it towards 3150.40, and in fact below 3150.40 is where greater correction should be seen. But the stochastic here is oversold, but MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. On the 3 hour charts, and you see, yes, it is a reversal sign here, but I can see a greater resistance getting offered here on the upside above 32. It is not willing to stay above 32, though the formation is pretty much comfortable for a V-shaped recovery, but I cannot price is definitely getting a lot much of resistance on the upside. Also on the downside, it is very important for silver to trade below 3170 in order to confirm further sell. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation. Now see, on the gold prices, you've seen 20 period offering a greater, and now on the silver charts, it is offering a greater resistance on the upside. So this is something you should keep a note of. Though it is getting oversold, but it is getting resistance on the upside for further advancement. The MACD is trading with divergence in bearishness. The RSI is running flat. On the daily charts, if you similar observation here on the daily chart, see, previous candle closed at the bottom, and today it is forming a reversal trying to bounce back. Now it is very important till 3170. You should be cautious. Once it breaks below 3170, remember we are looking forward to similar size of candle which may directly take the prices first towards 3140, 31.50 and then towards 31.20, $31 levels, which are going to remain the prime support levels here on the downside. So any break below these support levels here are going to be very, very important for further advancement of the silver prices. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI has dropped. So looking at this, what I'll recommend is that buy at 32.10 levels, expect it to move towards 32.30, 32.50, 60. If it breaks past by 32.50, 60, stay bullish. Possibly we are looking forward to the next move, which is going to take it towards 32.85, 33.10, and then 33.45, 55 zone. Yes, possibility exists, but right now I will say you have to wait and watch. Things on the larger time frames are still not very much supportive of such a stronger bullishness here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 31.70. Expect 31.50, 40 as the first target zone, 31.20 as the next, and then below 31.20 we can expect 30.95, 30.75, and 30.50 levels. Let's see which direction it gives a break. Possibly it might wait. The metals might wait for the inflation data and Chairman Powell's testimony for taking a direction. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. A great profitable trading day. Thank you.